Hi, my name is Sylvia Gemtai, and today we're at the Greenspoon kitchen where we're going to be making this beautiful shakshuka. Join me for the recipe. We are going to need our bell peppers. So I have 4 large, medium to large bell peppers, red and yellow, 6 large tomatoes that I've just blanched and removed the skin. We'll need Dania, some Sirimon cheese, our eggs, 2 onions, cumin powder, sweet smoked paprika, very important, salt, pepper, and oil, and last but not least, some garlic. That's it. We are going to go ahead and chop our peppers, thinly slice our garlic, just roughly chop it. This calls for 2 onions, but this one is quite large, so I think we'll do 1.5. We're gonna go ahead by adding some oil to a already preheated pan. Then we are going to let the warm heat up a little bit. We're gonna go in with our onions, some garlic, and just saute that for a few minutes. As the onions are cooking, I'm gonna preheat the oven to 180 degrees so that when we are finished with the main dish here, it pops in the oven for 10 minutes. The onions have browned a bit, so now we want to go to add the peppers in, smoked paprika, cumin, and salt and pepper. So we're gonna just give this a quick mix. Let's add in our tomatoes, smash them, mix everything as you go. See, the onions are translucent now, they're softened, everything is starting to get soft. Okay, I'm gonna let this simmer for about 15 minutes covered. Then I will add in the eggs, we'll pop it into the oven, and then in no time we'll have shakshuka. It's been about 10 minutes. Let's check on our shakshuka. Ooh, smells good. The sauce has thickened nicely. It's time to add in the eggs. I'm just gonna crack each into the bowl first. We're just gonna make a small well for our eggs and gently pour the egg white first, followed by the egg yolk. And just repeat the process. Okay, we're just gonna touch up the eggs with a little seasoning, just some black pepper and salt. A generous amount of black pepper and salt right on each egg, and maybe just around. That's it, guys. So we are going to turn the heat really low. Then we're going to cover it and pop it in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. But make sure your pan is oven safe, because this is now going to go into a preheated oven at 180 degrees. Middle shelf, preferably, just for 5 minutes. Shakshuka should be ready by now. Get it out of the oven. This looks so wonderful. Let me make some space for me to chop my dania. That should be good. We're gonna just add a bit of green. Wonderful. Then we'll use the Sirimon cheese, and then just use your hands or your fingers and just distribute the cheese. Final touch is now just a few sprigs of dania, and we are good to go. The dish is looking beautiful. Our shakshuka is ready, and we have Collins from Greenspoon here to taste test for us. Okay, you can grab a fork. This is for you. You can try. I think I'm gonna let him eat first before I try. Yeah, and then let me know what you think. Honest opinion only.
Okay, I love it.
Okay, yeah, great.
I love it.
Just keep eating, keep eating. Just gonna plate some for myself as well to try and see if it's a yay or nay. I hope it's a yay.
Yes.
That is good. That is good, yeah? Why don't we go sit down and enjoy the rest of this? Yeah? Okay. Oh, by the way, remember you guys, you can get all these beautiful ingredients from the Greenspoon website and their mobile app. Happy cooking!